Today we have a wonderful
Going to
present with us together.
right. Good.
And will show us a beautiful environment set for this virtual conference and Manage Publications. I have pleasure in introducing the conference to the audience. We are in the information era today, and technology has paved way for us to find the data everywhere. Over the internet, there is about 4 zettabytes of data in our groundbreaking breaking revolution in the life of humanity. More insight is needed in exploring the nature that has evolved over billions of years in the earth, and the academia in research can invent more algorithms that can benefit and ease life at earth. In this week, we saw Nobel Prize for 2020 in economics for efficient usage of data for handling options using game theory. We have a lot of satellites revolving around our Earth. When satellites scan through the Earth, gigabytes of data are stored every second. They are used for specific purpose, and most of the data are not used for any purpose. There is research scope in finding applications from these data in the field of agriculture for early warning of any pest infections over the world. Health sector is one of the area where implementation of artificial intelligence with available data can change the life of people to a great extent. Initiating the conference, I manages virtual conference on data science and engineering, new approaches in information management. The objective is to bring more hidden knowledge on data science, processing techniques and methodologies, current advancement in present researches on cognitive ability, and its application on developing newer intelligence to machines. We welcome interesting researchers on applications of artificial intelligence in healthcare, agriculture, traffic control, data storage and compression utilities widely applicable with ease of accessibility of data over internet and evolving electronic commerce and corporate governance. The conference will bring 2 keynote address from eminent academians that will be inspiring and intuitive, a session address on artificial intelligence followed by presentations. We will be having these sessions in having 2 sessions in the morning and 1 in the afternoon after lunch. The paper presentations will be in the afternoon session. Now we will be inaugurating this event by a lighting ceremony followed in India.
Thank you all for your kind patience. Let me start with the customary welcome note. A very warm greeting to one and all. I have great pleasure in welcoming you all to this knowledge session as the co-patron of iManager's virtual conference on data science and engineering, new approaches in information management. Keynote speakers of VCDSE 2020, Dr. Fayed, Professor, Department of Computer Engineering, San Jose State University, USA, Dr. G.R. Sinha, Adjunct Professor, International Institute of Information Technology, Bangalore, and Professor, Myanmar Institute of Information Technology, Myanmar. Dr. Siddhartha Ghosh, Professor and Head of the Department of Artificial Intelligence, Head Training and Placements, Vidyajyoti Institute of Technology, Founder of iManager Enterprises, and Patron VCDSE 2020, Mr. Joe Winston, Organizing Secretary of VCDSE, Mr. Rajkumar, Technical Committee members of VCDSE 2020, Editor-in-Chiefs of various iManagers journals who are present here, paper presenters of VCDSE 2020, participants, esteemed guests, and my dear colleagues, well-wishers, a very warm welcome to you all. Human race has been confronted with one of the worst pandemic over generations, but it has opened up new avenues for knowledge transfer, and virtual conferences is one among them, which is keeping the research momentum going on in spite of the pandemic which we are all facing. But in this context, iManager Publications came up with a series of virtual conferences, with iManager's conference on data science and engineering being one. Data science is a relatively new area of research, but its applications are multifold and intertwined in all fields. And this conference opens up opportunities for dissemination of knowledge on data science and engineering. The organizer, iManager Publications, is currently in its 17th year of academic publishing and brings out 34 peer-reviewed journals. iManager Publications places on accord its authors and peer reviewers, and iManager's journals are listed in prominent databases all over the world and also subscribed by top universities of the world and prominent administrative institutions of the world, including United Nations Library and the Parliament of Australia. The keynote speakers of BCDSC 2020, Dr. M.E. Fayed, Dr. G.R. Sinha, Dr. Siddhartha Ghosh. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to BCDSC 2020. Your support throughout has been phenomenal, and I welcome you all to present the keynote lectures on artificial intelligence-driven software development, brain computing and cognitive science, and deep learning. I heartily welcome the technical committee members of BCDSC 2020, our patron, Mr. Joe Winston, organizing secretary, Mr. Rajakumar, editor-in-chief, and esteemed guests once again. I welcome the paper presenters who are ready to present the research and the participants and each one of my colleagues at iManager Group. I'm sure that iManager's virtual conference on data science and engineering, new approaches in information management, will present a plethora of knowledge and open up new possibilities of research. As mentioned by my colleague, Mr. Rajkumar, today marks an important event, the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the former president of India and one of the greatest scientists India has produced. He lived up to his ideals till his last. The United Nations has declared it as World Students' Day, and it has been celebrated since 2010. Learning is a lifelong process, and let us all be lifelong learners, always willing to learn and be humble, in line with the theme of World Students' Day 2020, learning for the people, planet, prosperity, and peace. I hope this conference will open up an avenue for that. Let me conclude with Dr. Kalam's famous quote, "Dream is not what you see in sleep. It is something that doesn't let you sleep." Thank you.